Hey guys, I am on my way to the supermarket. Oh god, let me get in the car. And not just any supermarket. I'm trying to hunt to find a Caribbean supermarket, because since we moved here, I haven't seen any around here, like a Caribbean or like a Caribbean supermarket or Latin, some kind of supermarket like that. So I'm gonna I went online, I saw a couple, so I'm just gonna go to one today because I need some yam and banana and some other things. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick it up now. Oh gosh, my hair is a mess. But yeah, so I just picked up my candles and I stopped by Rainbow and got 2 sweaters. I'll probably end up showing you guys that when I get home. So yeah, I'm gonna leave them all so I don't spend anything else. Yeah, so I'm home now and I grabbed some things from the store. So let me show you what I get. I got all the goodies. Give that fork. Daddy asking you for a fork. Here. Alright, so babe wanted some oxtail, some pork, some saltfish. I got some coconut powder, Sopugen, my Blue Mountain. I couldn't shit. Usually I buy the big one, this one, but they didn't have any more. And we'll buy 2 tin of ackee because at them place where you can't find real ackee. And 2 tin of cheese. This, y'all need to get some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, y'all. It's just like these, almost like these. I got some nice Scotch bonnet pepper, yam, yellow yam, some sweet potato. I got 2 different bun because I didn't see the what is that bun called again? What's the one I usually buy, bears? J something, I forgot. Jamaican, no, what is it? Yeah, they never have it, so I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy this. So golden crust, yo, these stores are so expensive because the spice bun, the golden crust, this up is $7.99. This was $3.99. Jamaican choice. The cheese, them charge $8.99 for a tin of cheese. This little cheese. And the ackee, $9.99 for 1 can of ackee. Very, very thief. Then thief over. More than Florida, because Florida never charge so much money. But yeah, and as you can see, I'm going to stop at KFC because I don't know if I'm the only one that even if you go to the supermarket and you spend $100, you still stop by before you get home, stop somewhere, because you're like, I don't feel like cooking though. So yeah, you guys, this is what I got from Rainbow. It's just a cute little knit sweater, pink. I love it so much. It looks so cute. It looks like it's kind of cropped, so yeah, I thought it would be perfect for the fall and also even for Christmas. This would be cute for Christmas too. And then I got this one. I just love this. This is definitely, it screams fall to me. Definitely screams fall. I love the colors together. So that's why I got this one. And I love how it just has like a distressed ripped look here. So that's why I got it. And what else did I get? And then of course I took a trip to Bath and Body Works. I got the strawberry pound cake and I got the pumpkin pecan waffles. I really wanted like the blueberry pancake and all those other fall scents, but they told me they ran out. And then I got this one, hot cocoa and cream. This one smelled really good. So I had my rewards gave me 1 free item. So I chose this. And it smells just like what it is. It says decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. So, I don't even know how to say this. So, basically, our... Oh, you so baby. So anyways, our bed popped down.
Bro.
Thanks to this guy here.
Rack.
So so long story short, we have to hunt for a new bed, and I'm probably in the process of hunting for a whole new bedroom set as well. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look in these furniture stores and see, you know, what we find. Okay, so we had to stop by U-Haul because they didn't have a delivery person, so we had to come the next morning to get a U-Haul truck to do it ourselves. So that's why we're here.
Yep.
To rent a truck. Okay, so now we're home and just unloading. Easy, easy, Papa.
You say easy, Papa?
Mm-hmm.
I say you have to take your time with the heavyweight, you know? You have to take a little bit of time to mash up.
Take your time. I told babe, let's get him a haircut, and he must say he don't want a woman cut him hair, and they're telling him that the next barber, male barber, is 30 to 40 minutes. So we're leaving the mall, and y'all already know what I came to the mall for. So yeah, you guys, these are some of the things I got for my new, the light is shining so brightly. I got this mirror. I got this nice sign. This is our happily ever after. And then I think it's better if I show y'all on when it's actually on the wall. And then of course I got a couple candles. I got the vanilla bean knoll, the snowy peach berry, and pink fairy gumdrop. I did get this one that I was so excited to burn right now, and the blueberry sugar, but there's like no throw at all. I mean it hasn't been an hour yet, but I mean usually I smell my other candles by now and I don't smell anything, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, so these are the end results. I was able to purchase everything here for under $2,000. This includes the bedroom set, a comforter set, some of the wall art and decor. I had a budget and I stuck to it. As you can see, I'm a minimalist. I don't like too much glitz and glam, just a little flower. I got a J. I'm gonna get the M for my husband's name soon. Oh yeah, and I got a little white pillow, and I love this wall art. This is us. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe.